Good day, welcome to News Update on Flip TV. My name is Pisola Dipo. Former Lagos State Governor Akinwunmi Ambode has broken his silence on swirling political rumors, firmly denying claims that he plans to contest the 2027 governorship election under the African Democratic Congress (ADC). The one-term governor who led Lagos from 2015 to 2019 described the reports as false publications aimed at misleading the public and causing unnecessary political distractions. Ambode made the statement on Friday, stressing that the absolute loyalty to the All Progressive Congress (APC) and his total commitment to ensuring President Bola Tinubu secures a second term in 2027. Ambode's endorsement is significantly not only because of his stature as a former governor. In his statement, Ambode lauded Tinubu's administration for several policy achievements, including reforms in the pension system, launch of a national student loan scheme, and youth empowerment initiatives. He urged Nigerians to ignore divisive rumors and focus on working together to deliver more democratic dividends ahead of 2027. Kaduna State House of Assembly on Thursday confirmed Ahmed Mayaki's nomination by Governor Ubasani as the new Commissioner for Information. Mr. Mayaki took a bow after introducing himself to the House and later, in an interview, promised a more proactive, responsive approach to government communication. He emphasized the need to keep citizens informed and involved in governance processes. The commissioner noted the Ministry of Information's key role in bridging the gap between government and the people. He explained that skilled individuals within the service were being identified to ensure prompt and effective delivery. Mr. Mayaki noted his previous experience in the ministry and expressed appreciation for the opportunity to lead. Earlier during the session, two bills scaled third reading and were passed into law. They include a bill amending the Kaduna State Administration of Criminal Justice Law 2017. The second is the bill establishing the Kaduna State Tourism Museum Landscape and Recreational Services Law 2025. Mahmood Lawal, representing Zaria constituency, moved both motions. They were seconded by Hassan Muhammad of Ikara constituency. Shortly after, the Assembly considered the second reading of another bill. The bill proposes the Kaduna State Tertiary Institution Regulatory Agency and Other Related Matters 2025, sponsored by Mahmood Lawal. The bill aims to reform tertiary education using data-driven regulations and increased accountability. Governor Uba Sani of Kaduna has bagged a special recognition award by the Progressive Governors Forum (PGF). The award is in recognition of his exemplary leadership and transformative governance, anchored on youth empowerment, innovation, and inclusive development. The award was presented at the official opening of the PGF quarterly meeting of commissioners for youth and sports in APC-governed states, which held at the Stone Edge Hotel on Thursday. The PGF Director General, Folorunsho Aluko, noted that the awards highlight Mr. Soni's unwavering dedication to progressive values and measurable development across key sectors. The forum described Mr. Sani as a visionary, reform-minded and people-driven leader whose tenure exemplifies the ideal of progressive governance. The PGF also praised his achievements in education, digital learning, industrialization, agricultural modernization, and health interventions, all driven by a data-informed and transparent approach to leadership. According to the forum, the governor's contribution to peace building, unity, and economic inclusion are exemplary, adding that his investment in security, human capital, development, and rural transformation have been acknowledged and as benchmark for subnational governance in Nigeria. The award was received by the Deputy Governor of the state, Adiza Balarebe, who also delivered the welcome address, declaring the event open. The Deputy Governor said that the meeting should be a platform for practical solution and policy realignment, noting that Kaduna is not only the host but also a model of youth-focused people-centered governance. The governor disclosed that the Kaduna Youth Economic Empowerment Program has supported over 6,000 startups in less than 2 years, adding that the Kaduna Tech Hubs has trained young people in AI, cybersecurity, and robotics. Mr. Sani also said that his administration's grassroots sport acceleration initiative and the renovation of 18 community sports centers shows commitments to youth development and national unity. The governor therefore commended the PGF Secretariat for strengthening state visibility and unity through innovative documentation tools such as the PDF executive briefs, weekly polls in 5 languages, and development tracking initiatives. He called on commissioners to move beyond policy discussions and begin to measure success through impact metrics such as jobs created, businesses launched, sports medals won, and community solutions implemented. The commissioner further urged her colleagues to move beyond paperwork and make actionable commitments. Federal government says it is committed to clearing the remaining 3 months arrears of 35,000 naira to civil servants without further delay. Bawa Mokwa, Director, Press and Public Relations Officer of the Accountant General of the Federation, said this in a statement on Friday in Abuja. The news agency of Nigeria reports that the federal government started paying the second tranche of the outstanding 35,000 naira wage awards arrears on Thursday. The federal government had earlier paid 1 month out of the initial 5 months outstanding arrears. Mr. Mokwa said that with the payment of the second tranche, three remained tranches to exhaust the wage award arrears. The news agency of Nigeria reports that some civil servants in Abuja had earlier complained about the unexplained delay in the payment of the wage award. Dr. Uche Anunem, a civil servant, said that the government should not wait until workers feel agitated or start complaining before they do something. Mr. Joseph Ede urged the government to clear the outstanding 4 months arrears of the wage award rather than paying monthly. Ede said the delay had casted doubts on the sincerity of the federal government. Ms. Franca Ofili urged the federal government to fulfill its promise and save civil servants the burden of expectations. That's all on the news. My name is Pisola Adipo. Thank you.